Hey there TikTokers! Want to crack the TikTok code and go viral in just 1 week? Well, you're in luck because today we're sharing 10 foolproof ways to make it happen. First up, choose the right trending sound. Take a look at the Discover page or explore the For You page to find the hottest sounds that everyone's using. Next, keep up with the trends. Don't be afraid to jump on the latest challenges and trends, but put your own unique spin on it to really stand out. Engagement is key. Reply to as many comments as you can and engage with other users' content. Building a community will help boost your visibility. Experiment with different video lengths. Short and snappy or longer and in-depth. Try it out and see what works best for you and your content. Don't forget about hashtags. Use trending and relevant hashtags to increase your chances of being discovered by a wider audience. Be consistent with your posting schedule. A regular presence on TikTok will increase your chances of getting noticed. Collaborate with other creators. Partner up with someone in your niche or do a duet with a popular TikToker to tap into their audience and expand your reach. Make your videos visually appealing. Use eye-catching filters, creative transitions, and captivating visuals to keep your viewers hooked. Lastly, have fun with it. Authenticity is key on TikTok, so let your personality shine through and bring joy to your audience. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications to stay up to date with all our latest tips and tricks. Keep cracking the TikTok code and go viral.